So another property for sale. This is 10,763 square meters. All are flat terrain. Located in Bien Onidobol. So I forgot the name of the barangay, guys. Pero na-vlog na ni nato. This is the property. So this is the property, guys. As you can see, no, all are flat terrain. Nindot kayo ni siya. And along Barangay Road. So then very close from National Highway. Transportation, tricycle, or you just walk to the highway, then you can ride the bus. Series bus. So series bus. Mana itong transportation. Water na atay dako nga reservoir diha, guys, na tapad makita ra nato. So this is the road, no, where the property is located, no. So I think the road where kuan still part of the property. Pero I don't know kung nadidak ba ni, or I believe that the road is part of the property. But we don't know if it was deducted to the title. Basta mao ni siya, guys. So owner is not around. Wala gid ang tag-iya. They are now in somewhere in Baguio. Baguio. Bitaw din tag-iya, guys. Wala. So kini gi-for sale gini siya nila kay since they are not already from kuan from Bohol. So kuan lang, guys, no, kanang just make an offer lang, no. Basta mao gini ang presyo, 500 pesos per square meter net or limpyo. So nindot man sad kaayo ni nga property kay you know it's flat terrain. Then kompleto mo na gingon ay water, electricity and signal. Then neighborhood nindot si kayo. Medyo a little bit ka nang dili gid crowded ba, nindot siya. Yeah. Ang concrete road murag 30 meters na lang siguro gilayon. Doon ra gid kayo. It's around 30 meters from concrete road. Then so doon ra gid kayo. Very close. Then again, ideal for housing or subdivision development. Na adjacent ani, guys, si pari title 1,700 square meters. Kanang dapit sa kuan. This is not part of the property. Dili na on silabot kay murag nasa atbang ba to. Actually naglisod pa ko sa drone bago pa ko ka-adjust. Bago pa manggod. Basta mao ni ang surroundings. Then neighborhood. Then mana, if you have properties for sale, just let me know. Kay tabangan mo na ko baliya, I will help you sell your property. Sa Bohol and Cebu lang, guys, ha, kay dili na kay ko moadtog layo pa kay maradi nang bon matabang. Pero naagyod mo i for sale sa layo, basta naalam mo itaw didto, just send me the kuan. If you have a contact person in the site, just send me the details and the video atong i-upload sa atong YouTube, daghan sang nananaw. Try na to, no. So money, guys, no. So malantaw ra gyud nimo ang dagat, no. That is already the sea. So meaning the Bien Onido town is a coastal town. So duhay ilang kuan dire, mga livelihood, mga farmers, pwede sila managat, pwede sad sila mag basakan or farming. So no, more properties for sale at www.propertyph.net. So Bien Unido is just around 2 to 3 hours drive from Tagbilaran City. Then there is a shortcut, no, soon to be open, the bridge connecting Talibon and Bien Unido. Actually, guys, in the history, Bien Unido was part of Talibon, no? Bada siya. Then college schools, kung mahuman na ng bridge tingali by 2028, Naman diha gitawag og Talibon Polytechnic College. Daghan sa kayong estudyante diha. Free na siya, free nga college, state university. Then pwede sad ka moadto sa eskwela ka sa Trinidad Municipal College, still State University. So nindot kayo. So nindot kayo yung property na to, no? Mani siya guys, no? So kung mag-shopping ta, naan na may mall sa Talibon, doon ra kayo. Pwede sa kamad to sa Ubay. Nya ang Ubay guys na ay future nga basig operation na ilang airport. No, narang ko ano makita nimo kadtong reservoir. Naragid pabor kas tubig diri. Gihimong buwaranan sa humay na lang. Ana siya guys. Naka-advantage sa property. Tara. Reservoir. So kining na tapat sa reservoir for sale na kanang nay baka, no? Mana siya. Baka ba na kabaw? That is 1,700 square meters. Same owner ha, same owner. So mapahinal lang ta sa pricing if you are going to buy the property. Just contact me for site inspection. So northern part of Bohol province. Nindot na ba sa north kay number 1 na sa mga improvements daghan kayo. Then kung maadto kag Cebu guys na may mga ferry, no, sa Talibon or adto kag Hitapi or Tubigon manay nakanindot. So this is the road guys, so one yung mga 30 meters na lang ikan sa property or kayo na nagamay 30 ang dalag 50 para hindi na maglisod. This is the property na mga kayo. Klaro ba? Limbak na just very close from Bukreton from highway or sa kayo. Very nice property. For inquiries, just contact me.